Everyone, in today's video we will see how to cancel the GTA Plus on GTA 5 and GTA 6. Stop auto renewal and recurring billing. So first, how to link your Rockstar Social Club account to the GTA 6 pre-order. So to link your Rockstar Games account, formerly known as the Rockstar Social Club, to the Grand Theft Auto 6 pre-order, you must link your PlayStation network or Xbox network account to your Rockstar Game ID through the official Rockstar Game website. Because GTA 6 pre-orders are currently exclusive to PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, there is no separate pre-order link button. Instead, connecting your platform profile automatically registered your pre-order purchase with the Rockstar, ensuring you unlock the pre-order bonus like the Vintage Vice City pack and a free month of GTA Plus on day 1. The PlayStation 5, the console setting. So navigate to the settings. Now from the main home screen, you can select user and account, then click on account, then you can choose payment and subscription. On the subscription menu, note if it is not listed there. Then you can check the game and app services section directly below it and select GTA 5 or GTA 6 and locate the membership. Highlight your GTA Plus subscription and select the cancel subscription or turn off auto renewal. Now the second one, Xbox Series XS. So press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide menu. Now go to profile and system, then click on setting account. Now select subscription to see your active membership. Now locate the GTA Plus and select manage and click cancel subscription or turn off recurring billing and follow the prompt to confirm. Now the third one is for PC, the Rockstar Game Launcher or web. So navigate to the official Rockstar Store Manage GTA Plus page on the web browser or open your profile setting in the Rockstar Game Launcher. Now log in with the Rockstar Game Social Club account and linked to the subscription. Then navigate to manage subscription and select your GTA Plus membership and click the cancel subscription to terminate the recurring billing cycle. So goodbye and thanks for watching.